friends, welcome to your own channel Krishna Lohan. We like many topics in English, but we are afraid of them because we don't know their perfect rules and identification. So let's start from today by knowing them completely. Today we are going to a subject named clause. क्लोज को हिंदी में पदखंड यौगिक भी बोलते हैं। चलिए क्लोज की डेफिनेशन करते हैं। क्लोज इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट कंटेन्स अ सब्जेक्ट और वर्ड इज कॉल्ड क्लोज। इट फंक्शन लाइक अ नाउन, एडजेक्टिव एंड एडवर्ब। क्लोज क्या होती है? कुछ शब्दों का समूह होता है जिसमें एक सब्जेक्ट और एक वर्ब होती है और यह है नाउन, एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब की तरह फंक्शन करता है। फॉर एग्जांपल, ही एट स्नैक्स। देयर वी सी सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट। इट्स अ कंप्लीटली we can say it close. Note: a clause cannot be meaningful sentence, but a sentence has many clauses interconnected by conjunction. क्लोज मीनिंगफुल मतलब कभी मीनिंगफुल नहीं होती क्लोज, लेकिन एक सेंटेंस है जो उसमें अगर क्लोजेस को मिला दिया जाए तो वो एक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बन जाती है। और जो जोड़ी जाती है, दो सेंटेंसेस, दो फ्रेजेस को हम जोड़ते हैं कंजक्शन के द्वारा। लेट्स स्टार्ट। हियर वी डिवाइडेड इट into two parts: independent clause, dependent clause. Independent clause is called with second name main clause, and dependent clause as well as subordinate clause. Examples: I graduated last year. There we see only one clause, one subject, verb or object. When I went there, I saw her. There is two clauses because there are two sentences: I went there or I saw her. When I heard it, I went there. Asked him. They three clauses sentence. When I heard it, I went there. Asked him. There are three clauses. First, we will do independent clause. Acts as simple sentence. Independent clause सिंपल सेंटेंस की तरह कार्य करती है। इट कैन स्टैंड अलोन। नाउन क्लोज इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट क्लोज। नाउन क्लोज डज एन एक्ट एज ए नाउन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई लाइक इनोवेशन। आई नो यू। नाउ आई नो व्हाई डियर्स रन फास्ट। द टू sentences are in a simple sentence, but in third sentence we have joined two sentences by conjunction why, and this sentence is discussing about a noun. Noun what? Dear. Dear run fast. Now I know. So it's a noun clause. I cannot remember what has done to it. मुझे याद नहीं है इसे क्या हुआ है या इसने क्या किया है। किसने क्या किया है? नाउन ने क्या किया है। It is a noun. So this sentence is also a noun clause. Note: it uses the connectors like what, that, why. We can see the above sentences in the above sentences. Second part is dependent clause. This part of sentence needs supports of other parts. It cannot stand alone. It is called subordinate clause also. Adjective clause is the first part of dependent clause. It acts as an adjective. It comes after first noun and uses commas and relative pronouns. The boy you saw at the bus stop was my brother. There is a specification of a boy that he was standing at bus stop, and I saw him at the bus stop was my brother. So it's an adjective clause. The man who was caught by police is a robber. There is a specification of a man who is a robber caught by police. This is also adjective clause. Next sentence is the girl was sitting on the last bench. Was my best friend. There we use connectors like who, which, that, whose to join two sentences together. You can see here adverb clause. It behaves as an adverb in the sentence. We use connectors like who, what, while, when, how, that to join two sentences in making in one sentence. He ran fast more than you did. There is specification of a verb, how it behaves. The verb is behaving like fast. Then we call the sentences adverb clause. You found her there as many times you went. There are founding something that can happen in many times. The verb specifications called is adverb clause. Third sentence you can see she loves you whether you do or not. There we use whether, as, and then. The three connectors and the upper connectors are used to join two sentences in adverb clause. Adverb clause has many parts like time, place, manner. When you win, say nothing. When you lose, say less. There are no connectors, but we can see that here the verb is specified by saying. Adverb of place. Where there are you, there is a piece. If you think you do, you can do. This is the man. Now friends, we are going to do clauses in the sentences. There are three types of sentences we use in clause. First is simple sentence, second compound, and third is complex sentence. Simple sentence has one subject, one verb and one object. You can see here that has one subject or predicate. Compound sentence we can see that has more than one subject or one predicate. It uses many subjects and predicates like that. I did my best but failed. There we see two verbs joined by connector but. I will meet you or you meet me tomorrow. There we use or to interconnect two sentences. She was sleeping and her mother is watching TV. She was sleeping and her mother was watching TV. We use here and connector to join two phrases or two clauses together. This is called compound sentence. Third is complex sentence that has more than one sentences and joined by whenever, although, but, because, as, so many connectors. You can see the first example. Although he is rich but he is unhappy. We see in complex sentence first sentence in positive sentence and second sentence is in negative sentence. This is called complex sentence. Complex means a toughness. I have given here some sentences for practice. You have to do them and find out the clause in these sentences by doing underline. So friends, I have shared some examples from here to making you understand. Let's start from the first example. Who will go is not certain. Who will go? There a name is needed, so it's called noun clause. She is the girl who came first in the class. She is the girl who came first. Beside with the girl, in this sentence, he is discussing about his position in the whole class. So this is the specific for a girl. So we use here adjective clause. The match was stopped when it started rain. Match was stopped. There are we can see verb is happening or event is happening, and by what The match was stopped having rain there, so it's a adverb clause. My mother wore the sari which I gave her. This is the sentence in adjective clause because the sari is being defined here. I looked for wherever I could. In this sentence we use wherever, and wherever is almost using in adverb clause, so it's a adverb clause. Life is what we make it. Life is a noun, and noun is specification. Noun is being specified in this sentence, so we called it noun clause. So friends, if you liked my video, share it along with the like or comment.